Hong Kong, a special administrative region, SAR, of China, has long been a global financial hub and a prime example of a small, open economy that has achieved remarkable wealth and prosperity. Its success story is rooted in its strategic location, its embrace of free market policies, and a commitment to creating an environment conducive to business and trade. Over the years, Hong Kong has leveraged its unique advantages, including its deep-seated trade traditions, world-class infrastructure, and a stable legal framework, to propel itself to the forefront of global wealth. In this article, we will analyze how Hong Kong's economy grew to become one of the wealthiest in the world, using data-driven insights to highlight key factors behind its prosperity. Early economic foundations. From a trading post to an international finance center, Hong Kong's economic success story begins in the 19th century, when it was established as a British colony in 1842 after the First Opium War. Located at the crossroads of major global trade routes, Hong Kong quickly developed into an important port and trading hub for goods, flowing between the east and west. Its natural deep-water harbor made it an ideal location for maritime trade, and its legal system, based on English law, attracted foreign businesses. By the time Hong Kong was handed back to China in 1997, the economy had already established itself as a major center for trade and finance. Hong Kong's low-tax, free market policies and its open-door approach to global trade were critical in fostering an environment conducive to growth. However, it was in the latter half of the 20th century that Hong Kong truly began to experience explosive economic growth. Key drivers of Hong Kong's economic success: 1. Trade and logistics. The global port of Asia. Hong Kong's geographical location at the heart of Asia, its deep-water port, and its world-class infrastructure made it a natural gateway for international trade. For decades, Hong Kong has been a critical global transshipment hub, connecting mainland China with the rest of the world. According to World Bank data, Hong Kong handled over 18 million 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, of containerized cargo in 2021, making it one of the busiest ports globally. Hong Kong's trade-to-GDP ratio is among the highest in the world. In 2022, it stood at approximately 410%, meaning Hong Kong's total trade imports plus exports was more than 4 times the size of its GDP. In comparison, the global average trade-to-GDP ratio is about 60%, illustrating just how integral trade is to the Hong Kong economy. 2. Financial services. Becoming the gateway to China. Hong Kong's financial sector has been the cornerstone of its wealth generation. Over the past few decades, Hong Kong has become one of the world's leading international financial centers, particularly in banking, securities, and insurance. In 2022, the financial services sector accounted for around 19.7% of Hong Kong's GDP. Hong Kong's stock market is one of the largest in the world, with a market capitalization of over $6 trillion in 2023. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange, HKX, is the world's 4th largest by market capitalization and is the leading platform for Chinese companies looking to raise capital internationally. In fact, the HKEX has been the primary listing location for many of China's largest and most successful companies, such as Alibaba and Tencent, giving Hong Kong unparalleled access to China's booming economy. In addition to being a major stock market, Hong Kong is also a key global banking hub. As of 2022, there were more than 200 licensed banks in Hong Kong, and the region's banking assets total over $3 trillion. Its banking sector's resilience is reflected in the fact that Hong Kong's banks have weathered global financial crises relatively well, due to stringent regulatory oversight and high capital adequacy ratios. Hong Kong's currency, the Hong Kong dollar, HKD, is also a key part of its financial infrastructure. The Hong Kong dollar is pegged to the US dollar, providing stability for international investors and fostering an environment conducive to trade and finance. 3. Business environment. Low taxes and economic freedom. One of Hong Kong's defining features is its business-friendly environment, characterized by low taxes, minimal government interference, and a simple regulatory framework. The region's tax policies have been central to its economic growth. Hong Kong has one of the lowest corporate tax rates in the world, at 16.5%. In addition, its simple tax system, with no sales tax or value-added tax, VAT, has made it an attractive destination for international businesses looking to minimize their tax burdens. The Fraser Institute's Economic Freedom of the World report consistently ranks Hong Kong among the top places globally for economic freedom. In 2021, Hong Kong ranked second out of 165 economies, behind only New Zealand. This economic freedom has encouraged global companies to set up their regional headquarters in the city, further boosting its wealth generation. 4. Hong Kong as a regional headquarters, attracting multinational corporations. Hong Kong's status as a global business hub has been bolstered by its role as a regional headquarters for multinational corporations, MNCs. According to the Hong Kong Trade Development Council, HKTDC, more than 3,000 MNCs have established regional headquarters or offices in Hong Kong. The city offers these companies access to both the Chinese market and other regional markets, especially Southeast Asia. Furthermore, Hong Kong's legal system, based on common law, provides businesses with a high level of confidence regarding the protection of property rights, contract enforcement, and dispute resolution. This legal environment has attracted foreign direct investment, FDI, into the city, making it one of the world's top FDI destinations. 5. Real estate and tourism, key drivers of economic growth. While Hong Kong's trade and financial services sectors are the core of its economy, its real estate market also plays an important role. Property prices in Hong Kong are among the highest in the world. As of 2022, the average price per square foot of residential property in Hong Kong was approximately $2,000, making it the most expensive housing market in the world. Despite its sky-high property prices, Hong Kong's real estate market has remained resilient, driven by its limited land availability and constant demand from both local and foreign buyers. Tourism also plays an essential role in the Hong Kong economy. In 2019, prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, Hong Kong attracted nearly 56 million visitors, contributing 4.5% to GDP. The tourism sector includes hotel accommodations, retail sales, and food and beverage services. Hong Kong's position as a major tourist destination is bolstered by its renowned shopping, culinary experiences, and vibrant cultural scene. 6. Macroeconomic stability. The Hong Kong dollar and monetary policy. Hong Kong's commitment to fiscal and monetary stability has played an essential role in ensuring its economic success. As a major financial center, maintaining a stable currency and low inflation is critical to keeping investor confidence high. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, manages the peg between the Hong Kong dollar, HKD, and the US dollar, which has contributed to the city's monetary stability. The currency peg ensures that Hong Kong maintains a stable exchange rate, which is crucial for international trade and investment. As of 2022, the Hong Kong dollar has remained stable, with an exchange rate of approximately 7.8 Hong Kong dollars to $1 US. Conclusion: a success story. Hong Kong's rise to wealth is a testament to its unique combination of strategic advantages and data-driven policies. By leveraging its strategic location, embracing free market policies, and maintaining macroeconomic stability, Hong Kong has become one of the richest and most competitive economies in the world. Its thriving financial services sector, bustling trade infrastructure, and role as a regional hub for multinational corporations have all contributed to its global success.